Welcome to today's IDS session on harnessing the power of IDS Cloud. From origination to portfolio management to end of term and reporting, IDS is working to change the way the asset finance industry does business. IDS has made continuous innovation a priority, enabling our customers to expand their business, generate more revenue, and build customer loyalty. Today, IDS continues to enhance our time-tested code by adding customer-informed features and integrations, including a 100% software-as-a-service deployment. IDS's fully integrated origination and portfolio management solutions, Rapport and InfoLease, are now available to any size equipment finance company with the benefits of a SaaS cloud offering. Why do customers look at Rapport to satisfy their origination requirements? Rapport is a configurable, highly intuitive originations platform that provides IDS customers the ability to manage multiple lines of business, integrate with multiple servicing systems such as credit bureaus and know your customer platforms. It improves efficiency through automation and allows for the adherence to common processes. Rapport's web service integration capabilities allow for it to communicate with other platforms throughout your originations process. Some of the key features to Rapport include vendor channels. Rapport provides the ability to store customer and dealer records, and for many customers, it is the system of record for these entities. For those customers utilizing an external CRM system, Rapport provides real-time integration with these platforms via web service integration, including a pre-built managed package with Salesforce.com that provides pre-built default fields, web service integration, and layouts. For customers utilizing a dealer network, Rapport provides third-party vendor dealers access to the system via a secured portal. This includes the ability to create dealer programs for the purpose of defining default data and specific data options per program. Credit facilities allow for multiple customers to draw down against a single credit line. This is useful for parent-children type of relationships where one customer has multiple entities as part of its overall organization. From a pricing and quoting perspective, Rapport's embedded info analysis quoting engine, or IAQE, provides its users the ability to build out simple or complex pricing programs at the contract or asset level. IAQE also provides asset-specific residual calculations that can be built on multiple parameters such as equipment type and contract term. Not only does IAQE allow for the pricing of individual applications, but it also provides the ability to give a customer options by quoting multiple pricing scenarios with different parameters. From a workflow and validation perspective, Rapport's configurability allows for multiple workflows to be used within the system, allowing for different business lines or origination processes to be followed. For example, smaller ticket transactions can employ a low-touch, highly automated workflow, while larger ticket transactions might employ a higher touch workflow that employs additional review steps, manual credit, and the obtaining of wet signatures for legal documents. Rapport customers also have the ability to build their own data field requirements, data validations, and employ a review process that ensures that the data being booked into the system is correct. From a credit and analytics perspective, Rapport's credit capabilities are based on being able to obtain, store, and provide credit data within the system. Credit bureau data can be obtained automatically via integrated web service and stored at the customer and/or credit application levels. This data is then available to anybody making a credit decision, as well as portfolio data such as customer exposure, payment histories, and the like. For those customers looking to automate their credit processes even more, Rapport also provides the ability to build proprietary scorecards, build strategy trees, and automate a majority of the credit process through its advanced decisioning functionality. From a documentation perspective, Rapport's document package functionality allows for the identifying of necessary documents based on the parameters of a deal. For example, Rapport can determine different document requirements to be included for operating leases versus loans versus direct finance leases. Within the document package logic, you can also indicate whether documents should be automatically generated or not. For customers using e-signature, IDS partners with DocuSign, eOriginal, and Adobe Live for the purpose of submitting documents and obtaining electronic signatures. And once all the details have been determined, we now need to fund and book the contract. Rapport provides the ability to create necessary funding records at contract or asset level if we are remitting money out to third parties as part of the process. Data field requirements can be configured and applied throughout the originations process to make sure all required data is populated. This includes using business rules to make specific fields required for specific lease types, equipment types, etc. Data validations also allow for the evaluation of specific fields to make sure the data falls within your acceptable ranges. For example, the overall residual amount needs to be within 10 to 15% for a direct finance lease. This validation can be performed during the booking process and an error message is displayed if it fails. A review process can also be built in to give the contract a last look prior to booking by individual users. Once the deal has been agreed to, the day-to-day work commences. Why do people choose InfoLease as its portfolio management system? Well, InfoLease provides IDS customers the confidence that their portfolio will be supported through its functional offerings and audit-tested automated accounting entries. InfoLease provides an open, extensible architecture and an efficient, intuitive web user interface. Extensive composite and granular web services make InfoLease's industry-leading functionality and business logic available for consumption by third-party platforms. This allows for integration with your asset finance system of record with your broader enterprise architecture. Key features of the InfoLease portfolio management platform include, from a contract management perspective, the fact that IDS supports all lease and loan product types, from direct finance leases to operating leases to loans. In addition to the standard customer repayment schedules, flexible one-time, recurring, and late fees are available for inclusion. Blended income and expense items allow for non-customer elements to be amortized alongside the customer contract, items such as broker fees, dealer manufacturing subsidies, and IDC amounts. Midterm contract restructures can be performed without rebooking a contract, meaning that I can make adjustments to an existing deal without changing the contract number and maintaining our customer relationship. From a securitization and syndication tracking perspective, InfoLease provides full functionality related to both securitization and syndications that include the automation of related general ledger activity. From a mass data update perspective, InfoLease provides the ability to perform mass data updates via spreadsheet upload for entities throughout the platform, including the mass inventorying of on-lease assets. For receivables management, InfoLease provides robust customer service capabilities by providing easy access to customer and contract level data, as well as configurable collection assignment capabilities. Flexible invoicing at the customer, contract, and asset levels with invoice formats utilized to define the content of invoice types. Flexible invoicing exists at the customer, contract, and asset levels with invoice formats utilized to define the content of each individual invoice type. Flexible payment application with automated direct debit and lockbox functionality, as well as full in-system delinquency tracking and reporting. IDS's partnership with Vertex allows for tax calculations to be performed based on asset location with jurisdictional changes automated within the system. And InfoLease's property tax interface provides the ability to integrate with property tax management software platforms for the purpose of determining property tax charges and billing those to the customer. At the heart of InfoLease is its subledger accounting. InfoLease provides full chart of account mapping to your enterprise general ledger, and each financial event within the portfolio will generate necessary ledger entries that are automatically passed to your enterprise general ledger with no need for manual entries. A large number of asset level fields exist within the system with the ability to create an unlimited number of user-defined fields to track and maintain data. Residual, depreciation, and tax location data is tracked and maintained per asset with the ability to invoice and apply payments at the asset level as well. And users also have the ability to bring assets off lease and into inventory for the purpose of remarketing, whether it be held for sale or to be released to a new contract. With assets that are released to a new contract, all of the previous asset data stays with the asset throughout its life. From an end-of-term perspective, InfoLease provides the ability to do buyout calculations for full contracts or multiple single or partial assets, with the ability then to dispose using those buyout quotes. Configurable buyout templates to automate calculations exist, including estimated property tax amounts and a prepayment penalty matrix that will create prepayment fees if necessary. At the end of term, should the user want to extend their lease, InfoLease provides fixed term or month-to-month renewal extensions on the same contract in the system. From a reporting perspective, IDS Reporting provides a modern reporting engine with over 90 total canned reports, with Report Designer available to create custom reports for additional reporting requirements. IDS Reporting's Extract, Transform, and Load tool can also be used to extract data for the purpose of viewing in spreadsheets or providing to third-party systems, such as a data warehouse. As IDS continues to evolve, like its customers, it now makes its best-in-class solutions, Rapport and InfoLease, available via IDScloud, a 100% SaaS offering. From an operational savings perspective, IDScloud customers will reap the benefits of no or low acquisition costs as it relates to hardware, minimal ongoing IT requirements as the IDScloud team will monitor and maintain the systems, immediate and low-effort system release upgrades, and strong data security and backups via Amazon Web Services. IDScloud will allow its customers to respond faster to deals and expand quickly into new markets because whether or not you are using specific functionality today, it is available to you within the system tomorrow without development to the system required. IDScloud also allows users to work and engage with clients anywhere with connectivity to key services enjoyed within the IDScloud deployment. IDScloud's flexibility and extensibility allow for you to capitalize on current opportunities and quickly scale your business as business volumes increase or as you move into new markets. And through the power of our partnership with Amazon Web Services, you can be confident that your data is secure and the platform on which you are running your business is built on modern technology standards. Our IDS services team employs over 70 people worldwide with an average tenure of over 10 years in the asset finance industry. This services team is made up of consulting, support, and enhancement services spread throughout our global offices. From simple upgrades to complex data conversions, our team members are experts in data. IDS has over 200 InfoLease implementations and 400 InfoLease conversions, including conversions off of other platforms via standard conversion and reconciliation tools. IDS provides the ability to convert critical historical data if needed from other platforms, even spreadsheets. For those concerned that a data conversion will be a long, arduous task, the IDS service team has you covered. The IDS Managed Services team, now that you're on the IDS Cloud, will allow you to concentrate on running your business while they take care of your operational infrastructure. This includes services such as performing daily and period-end closes, system and application upgrades, continuous system monitoring, backup and restoring of data, and security audits and penetration tests. IDS Cloud customers can also request application services such as report creation, system administration, data extracts, and the like. So what's next? Our team has seen it all, from the providing of top-of-the-line service to dependable budget estimates and project timelines. IDS makes transitioning to the cloud simple. Please contact an asset finance expert for more information using the URL on your screen. And we would like to thank you for your interest in IDS Cloud and our suite of asset finance products. I look forward to working with you in the future.